Good morning, y'all. Good Saturday morning. Today's omelet is brought to you by Tramontina. I gotta tell you, I really like these pans. This was the first one I bought. That is a 12-inch, and it's a little bit big for omelets. Actually, it's pretty big. So I bought the 10-inch, and that's good for omelets. But I just got the 8-inch yesterday, and I like it. I'm gonna try making my omelets in this. And I'll tell you what, I'll put a link in the description. And Tramontina, these are the best pans I've ever had. We've had lots of pans in the past. And we've paid a lot. Some of them are the Calphalon. And these are the best skillets, non-stick skillets I've ever owned. So let me get this camera set up. Oh, today's omelet is going to be salami. Look how thick that is. Looks like a salami steak. And some mozzarella. So let me get the oven on and get the camera set up, and we'll be right back. And I might have went a little overboard with the butter. I forgot this is a smaller pan, so I put the same amount of butter in that I put in the bigger pan. But anyway, butter is good. Butter is our friend. Alright, let that cook a minute. We'll be right back. In the meantime, when I flip it, I'm going to pop my salami in the microwave because I just want to heat it up before I put it in the egg. We'll be back. Oh, it's coming along good. Coming along good. Really hot. And I'll hang on to that for later. Okay, now we're putting the mozzarella on. Mozzarella. Okay. Give that just a minute to heat up. There we go. All right. Let's go taste test. Sorry, it's going to be a bumpy ride for a minute. All right. Frank's Red Hot. The good stuff. A sharp knife. Oh yeah, that's a good omelet. Yep, salami, good omelet. Next Saturday, fried bologna omelet. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you tomorrow for BC's Sunday Rant. I just watched that last clip and I realized that my camera did this number. Sorry about that. this is what it looks like. All right, I'm fixing to put this away. See you tomorrow.